Hi guys, I hope you're all alright. So, if you are new here, I am Jess, please do subscribe, and if not, then welcome back. So for today's instalment of MUA recreations, we have glam_by Evie on Instagram, which will be linked below, who has messaged me. She messaged me, I think 2 or 3 looks to choose from, and 2 were ones that I was like quite comfortable with. And I just thought, like, this series is all about like challenging myself, so I have chosen this one. Now, if you've been here before, we all know that eyeliner terrifies me. So I chose this one because even though like I've done my base and everything, and I've just got that eyeliner to do, like that's a challenge for me. And obviously, like I said, I want to challenge myself. So for some of you watching, you're probably thinking, that looks like eyeliner's easy. Not for me. So yeah, so I already have my base on and my brows because I just filmed my part for the Boyfriend Does My Makeup voiceover. Oh my god. Which will be my next video, and I am just mentally prepared to get the absolute mick ripped out of me, so that'll be fun. But yeah, so as you can see from the look, we have like a black twing liner with like white swirls and a red lip, so I am excited to see. Hopefully it'll go okay. I just feel like eyeliner doesn't suit me, maybe that's why I can't do it. It's not that I can't do it, just stresses me out. I'm very shaky. I'm not doing my makeup on myself, and it always ends up like bigger at one side, and then I have to keep going back. It's just a whole process. But yeah, hopefully, because I've already got the rest of my makeup on, this video won't be 20 years long, but let's see. So I'm just taking a Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner, just a black liquid liner, liner basically. So I'm going to attempt to do a winged liner. Let me look at the picture, see what vibe shapes we're going for and stuff. Right, so it's just a pretty straight line. It's the because I always try and like not copy but like take pictures at the same angles as these, so you can like tell it's like a proper recreation. And they're very close up, some of these pictures, so this needs to be like good. Let's go. Right, I'm shaking already, like proper shaking. Right, my mirror's like this. Like I can rest my finger on my face, so this hand's not too bad, but it's the mirror that's shaking that's making it harder for me. Right. First I'm just going to do the line of the lid. That's the easy part. See, even that bit I'm so much slower than the regular person. Than the average person. I don't know. Even that just doesn't look great. Right. Okay. Also, what do you think of the hair extensions? I've missed myself with long hair, so I'm feeling them. Just this bit here. It's annoying me. Right, okay. I just don't want to do it. I'm just fiddling now because I don't. Right. Do you know what though, like that, it doesn't look too bad, it's just my eye open that it does. This is how you cheat it, you get a view blender and swipe it up, and it just sharpens up the edge. See, it just doesn't suit me. I think it's because I've got very like, I don't have hooded eyes all at the front, but at the end, I do have very hooded eyes. So hopefully I'll have to take pictures like, nah, maybe not. Once we get the swirls on, hopefully. I have one eye very different to the other as well, so one always ends up going like more upwards than the other. Let's get straight. So I need to get a white paint. Right, I need to find a very small brush. Right, so it actually starts like at the front. So I don't even need the black bit at the front. So it goes like, I cannot even. It goes under here. feel like it'll be okay at the end, I just can't get the beginning right. I mean, it looks nothing like hers. That look better. I mean, it's not great, but that can be the practice side. Right, let's try the other side. It's kind of better. It's like I should have done like the white first. Right, eyelashes. So lashes are of course KK Beauty, which you can use code Fahey15 for money off. Oh my god, right, I don't usually film myself putting my eyelashes on, but the struggle of this, because I don't want to touch the eyeliner, is real. Whew. Right, red lips. I think I'm just going to use face paint. Right, just a red. This is the finished product. Let me know how you think I did. Like, I don't think I did great this time. Like, the end's okay. But this top, it was like hard. Like, how did you do this, girl? But yeah, definitely go check out Instagram. Very talented. And go check mine out too to see what the end pictures look like, because it is quite hard to see on here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed just a short little one this time, and let me know what you think of the hair. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, share. Let me know how you think I did out of 10. I think 2. But yeah, love you all lots. Peace out. See you in Boyfriend Does My Makeup voiceover.